In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table of contents to your WordPress site in 2025. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to enhance their website's navigation and user experience. A table of contents makes it easier for your readers to find the information they are interested in without having to scroll through your entire content manually. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, and by the end of it, you'll have a streamlined way to organize your information. To get started, the first thing you need to do is navigate to wordpress.com. This is the hub where you'll manage all aspects of your WordPress site. Once you're on the site, look for the login option. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page, and clicking it will prompt you to enter your credentials. Following this, you'll see an option to continue with Google. It's a convenient and fast way to log in if you've connected your Google account to WordPress. If using Google is part of your workflow, it's a great way to simplify your login process. After you choose to continue with Google, you'll be directed to select your Google account if you have multiple options. Pick the one linked to your WordPress account. This ensures that you access the correct administrative settings for your website. Once you're logged into your account, look over to the right panel where you'll find the Quick Links section. Here, click on the Edit Site option. This is your gateway to making any changes or adding new features to your WordPress site, including a table of contents. Now focus your attention on the top left where you'll find an Add button. This button opens up the extensive array of blocks you can add to your WordPress site. Blocks form the foundation of how content is structured in WordPress, from text and images to more advanced tools like tables of contents. In the search bar that appears, type in table of content. This will help the system quickly locate the table of contents block you're seeking. Once you see the table of contents option, go ahead and click on it. Now your table of contents block has been added to your site. It will automatically generate a list based on the headings within your content, making it super easy for visitors to navigate. Remember, while adding a table of contents may seem straightforward, it significantly enhances the usability of your site, providing a better experience for your readers. They can easily jump to sections of interest, which keeps them engaged, and potentially increases the time they spend on your site. That completes our tutorial on adding a table of contents to your WordPress 2025 site. With this new feature, enjoy a more organized, user-friendly website. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresh.